Have you noticed all those super chill anime and relaxing rain videos taking over Instagram lately? I bet you've seen them. It's crazy how these videos can get hundreds of millions of views with just AI-generated images and some music. Sounds unbelievable, right? But don't worry, today I'll show you step by step how to create these million-view videos. Let's get started. Hey there. Before we start, I've got a little something for you. To help you follow along with the video, I've put together all the resources and image prompts I used. You can find the links in the description. Check them out, and let's get creative. Now, let's start with anime video. First, we'll create our anime image using Leonardo AI. I've put the link to Leonardo AI in the comments, please check it out. The free version of Leonardo gives us 150 fast tokens and resets daily. When growing your channel, I recommend using a premium plan for higher quality images and more features. Now, let's create an image. On the Leonardo home screen, select Image Creation, enable Legacy Mode, enter your image description prompt, choose the Leonardo Anime XL model, and click Generate. Pick the image you like best and download it. Next, we need to add 3D camera movement to our image. Go to immersity.ai using the link in the description. Under the 2D to 3D motion tab, select Try Now. Upload your image and adjust the settings for the best 3D effect. Then export the video as an MP4. The free version will have a watermark on the video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it in the next step. Open CapCut. Import the downloaded video and scale it to hide the watermark. Scaling to 720p might make it a bit blurry, so check Enhance Image and set it to HD. This feature is available in CapCut Pro. If you don't have CapCut Pro, you can try it free for 7 days with the link in the description. I think CapCut Pro is a great app for beginners to edit videos. Finally, we need to add some music to complete the video. I think Lo-fi music will fit well. Go to the Audio tab, search for Lo-fi Chill, and pick the track that suits your video best. Let's check it out. Next, let's create relaxing video. As usual, we'll start by creating our anime image using Leonardo AI. I've already created a few images for us to use. Next, we'll use Photopea to cut out the windows from the image and export it as a PNG file. Then, open CapCut, upload the original image to the timeline first, and then import the image with the cutout windows on top. Set the duration to about 10 seconds. Now let's add a rain overlay to our video. We can also add another overlay, like a bonfire, to make the image come to life. Next, we'll simulate camera movement by adding keyframes to our video. Finally, we need to add music to our video. I think piano music will fit well. Go to the Audio tab, search for Healing Piano, and choose the track you like. Let's check it out. So that's it. I hope you found this video useful. And, is there anything you think I could do better? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I wish you great success. Fighting.